Hi guys, welcome back again on my channel, Kitty Dream YouTuber. We will, I will making some videos about why I love green. So this I will gonna explain you guys about this. I love green because this is so much nice color. It's a nature color, and I love it. Everywhere I can see it's always green. This is my Fragrine. Hello, say hello to them. Fragrine is a green, so I'm so happy that she is a green. Now, guys, Fragrine and I have special today because we're a green family. Yay! But guys, thanks for watching now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. And look for it on my next video. Bye. See you on my next video.